Alright guys, thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. I am here now in Rumeli Hisar, and I'm here with my very good friend Peter Lewis, who's here to see me or hang out with me for about a week, and we've been trying different restaurants and having some different foods, and obviously I hope you're enjoying the food here.
Very much so.
We've been recommended a place called Kiss the Frog. Even though this is a city of mussels, which you get everywhere on the street, which I recommend that you never eat from the street, you don't seem to find many places that do moule marnier, which is just classic mussels in wine, vegetables. I mean, you must have made a moule marnier before.
Oh, many times. But this place has 4 different varieties, and I'm not sure what we should try.
To let you guys know, Peter has a huge background as a chef, as a restaurant owner in England. Very well-known guy. Very lucky to have him on board. Anyway, okay. Pizzas are served on squid ink, whole wheat, or plain dough.
Interesting. Squid ink dough. So put squid ink into the dough, make it a black dough.
Okay, so we're here with Tamer, and he's the manager here. And he's just explained to us a few different things of what we should try. He basically said try the whole menu, which is normal. He is a manager. Unfortunately, there's only 2 of us, so we can't eat everything. But we will do our best to try more. So we are definitely going to order the yummy prawns and avocado, the vegetable goat's cheese and wheat salad, the truffle prawns with orzo. We're already into the 4th dish and it's going to be stuffed. But anyway, maybe we can take it home if we can't eat everything. We're going to have a pizza. Eventually we were convinced to have a pizza, and we went for the octopus tandoori.
Yes.
Octopus tandoori pizza with black ink dough.
Yeah.
Why not? We'll get the moule marnier with roquefort, and I think that's it, right?
Is that enough?
Yes, it's
I think it's going to be more than enough, but anyway, that's
I'm hungry.
So yeah, so that's the goat's cheese, vegetables, and I'm guessing this is a whole slice of goat's cheese on here. Okay, let's try. Get stuck in. Alright. So it looks like it's dressed with a balsamic.
Looks like it's got rocket, it's got dill.
It's got garlic. I can see garlic slices in here.
Yeah, this looks awesome. It's got balsamic dressing. There's,
is it a pure balsamic or is it a...
it looks like a reduction.
A reduction.
And then we've got fresh mint.
This goat's cheese looks like a whole slab of butter though, I don't know.
Super soft, super creamy.
Super soft, super creamy, okay. What flavours are you getting?
Dressing is really nice.
Okay, it's not balsamic.
The veg is warm. It's really nice. There's artichoke in there as well.
It's not balsamic though, what is it? Is it like a balsamic or
maybe
soya? Is it a soya? But it's kind of sweet, isn't it? I know balsamic is sweet, but is it? Do you think it could be a soya balsamic mix?
I don't know, but it's bloody good.
How they have what is that?
It's asparagus.
Asparagus tips?
Yeah, finely sliced.
The manager Tamer and the owner Gül popped over and said hi. That was nice of them. I don't know if you get that service with everyone, but you know, 2 famous chefs in town. Bound to get hi. How you doing?
I like the creamy, warm vegetables in there. It's really nice touching it. It's got a mixture of textures. It works really well.
Is it worth, I think, something like 60 lira?
Yeah.
Is it worth 11 quid?
Easily.
Back again with Peter. Creamy
Avocado and prawn.
There we go. Creamy avocado prawns with samphire.
Pomegranate.
So what are the black seeds there? Poppy seeds?
Maybe.
Poppy seeds. I don't think we should be eating bread though. We have a lot of food to get through. You saw how it looked. Looks stunning. How does it taste? Avocado, sand fry, very fresh, very green.
Simple dressing.
Very, very, very light dressing. I can't even taste the lemon.
That's good though. You don't want it to.
It's olive oil, very good olive oil. It's like a really light vinaigrette, like I want to say like a white wine vinegar is used to make this vinaigrette. The prawns are just, you know what? I love prawns, especially when they're off the fucking shell. I hate prawns when I have to peel them.
Chicken. Nicely cooked.
The thing with prawns, they don't have that much flavor. I mean, they're not really flavorful, are they? They're quite meaty. I mean,
They're very meaty, and I think they're fresh for that very reason. I also think they've been hand peeled. It's a very nice salad again. Different, very different.
very different. Do they complement each other? The sweetness of the pomegranate, the tanginess of the avocado and light vinaigrette, and chili, slices of chili pepper, which aren't very hot. Yeah, I like it. This was priced in at, again, something around the 60 mark. For Turkish standards, it's expensive for a starter. Very, very flavorful. And thank God, finally in Turkey we've got somewhere they actually try and cook food. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind a good kebab, but I can't eat kebab every day.